What's going on, guys? I've got a 2007 Toyota Corolla here. I'm going to use this car to show you how you can change your daytime running light relay, and I'm also going to show you how I diagnosed it. The symptom was that the high beam was not coming on. So I'll just open the fuse box here. I'll point out to you the high beam relay. So that's your headlight relay. This is your high beam relay. And the headlight relay was coming on. And it was providing power to the circuit here. But I noticed that when I went to turn on the high beams, the high beam relay was not getting triggered. Despite receiving a power, it was not receiving adequate ground. So I'm going to show you here, reading 0 voltage because I don't have anything turned on. I'm going to turn on the headlights and try to turn the high beams on. And I'll show you measuring only about 0.5 volt here. So that's not sufficient voltage to trigger the high beam relay. But it did respond. You can see when I turn the high beams back off, that voltage drops down. So I know that the switch is working. It's just that the relay here is not providing an adequate ground to trigger that relay. So I'll go ahead and get that changed. It's real simple to do. You're just gonna need a 10mm with an extension. And you'll wanna do this with the car off with the key out. So you can find this relay up here under the dash, and it's gonna be this right here. You disconnect it by just pushing on that tab and wiggling it. So that's the tab right there. And get the connector out of the way. And there's a 10mm right here. And this is all that holds the relay in. So I've got the old relay out. This new relay, I'm gonna go ahead and just click it in here so I can show you the change in behavior with the new versus the old relay. I'll bolt it up after I show you. So I'm gonna put the key back in the ignition here. Turn the high beams on. And going over to the voltmeter, we can see that I'm actually measuring full, almost battery voltage there, 12 volts. And when I reinstall my relay, you'll see the lights come on. So yeah. So for me, the fix was to replace the daytime running light relay. That module, or relay as Toyota calls it, also powers a few other things like your low beam bulbs and I believe your parking light bulbs as well. So there are actually a couple different failures that can necessitate you having to change that. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you've got any advice about troubleshooting the headlights or parking lights on your Toyota Corolla. And I'm gonna have another video just about the headlights, how to change the bulbs and identifying all the fuses and relays. So check that out if you need help with that. Thanks for watching.